If you're someone who's been suffering from joint or back pain, you know just how challenging it can be. Every step, every movement reminds you of the discomfort. But here's the thing, joint and back pain are more common than you might think, and they can happen for a variety of reasons. Sometimes it's simply wear and tear from aging, as our joints naturally deteriorate over time. Other times, it could be the result of injuries, inflammation, or chronic conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, or even poor posture. The pain doesn't just affect your body, it takes a toll on your entire lifestyle. You may find it harder to exercise, play with your kids, or even get a good night's sleep. But what if I told you there's a natural 20-second rub ritual that could relieve up to 90% of your joint and back pain? And not just temporarily, this method could give you lasting relief for years. Yes, you heard that right. A simple, easy-to-do ritual that you can perform at home with just your hands has been helping thousands of people to finally live pain-free. Imagine waking up in the morning without that constant ache in your knees or stiffness in your back. Imagine being able to move freely and enjoy life again without the limitations of pain. Sound too good to be true? Stick around because I'm going to tell you exactly how this 20-second rub ritual can help you. But first, let's talk about why joint and back pain can be so stubborn. One of the main causes is inflammation. Whether it's due to an injury, overuse, or chronic conditions like arthritis, inflammation can cause severe pain and stiffness in the joints and back. On top of that, issues like muscle imbalances, poor posture, and even stress can worsen the pain, making it feel never-ending. The traditional solutions, medications, physical therapy, even surgery. But these often come with side effects or require a lot of time and money, and they don't always deliver lasting results. Here's where the 20-second rub ritual comes in. It's a natural, simple method that doesn't involve any expensive treatments or medications. By stimulating certain pressure points, this rub helps your body release tension, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation in the affected areas. And the best part, it only takes 20 seconds to do. Now I know what you might be thinking. Can it really be that easy? Well, thousands of people have already experienced the life-changing benefits of this ritual. People who've struggled with chronic pain for years are now able to move freely, sleep better, and live their lives without constant discomfort. The science behind this technique lies in how our bodies respond to specific pressure points. By targeting these areas, you're helping your body naturally relieve tension and pain. For some people, it feels like magic, offering almost immediate relief, and for others, the effects build up over a few days or weeks, giving them long-lasting results. Think about it. In just 20 seconds, you could start experiencing relief from pain that's held you back for years. Imagine being able to walk without wincing, enjoy a workout, or simply sit comfortably without that ever-present ache. What would that mean for you? If you're tired of trying endless treatments with little to no results, this could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. The 20-second rub ritual is fast, easy, and most importantly, it works. So, if you're ready to learn more and start using this technique today, click the link below. There's a short video that explains exactly how to do this rub ritual at home. Trust me, you don't want to miss this chance to finally get the relief you deserve. Click the link now and see how this 20-second rub ritual can change your life.